Hi everyone, my name is Gokul and today I'm going to show you how to stream YouTube videos on VLC media player. So let's get started. First, open the GitHub link in the description below. You will see a page like this. Then click on the latest release. Once you're here, scroll down and click on the ytdlp.exe file. Immediately after clicking, a Save As dialog box will appear. Then choose a location where you want to save the file and click on Save. Once the download is complete, navigate to the location where you saved the file. Then right click on the file and select Copy as Path. After that, open the command prompt and paste the path you just copied. Then remove the double quotes, type in -- cookies from browser Firefox, then type in -G. After that, paste the URL of the video you want to play. Then press the enter key. You will see something like this. Now open the VLC media player and click on the media menu and then select open network stream or press Ctrl N on your keyboard. You will see a window like this. Then copy the first URL from the command prompt and paste it here. After that, click on Show More Options and then select Play Another Media Synchronously. Then click on the Browse button, select the Network tab and paste the second URL from the command prompt here. After that, click Select and then Play. Within a few seconds, the video will start streaming on VLC.